fall asleep.
Ooh, yeah.
And once the staff is actually put in place, everybody's put in place, then you guys will be rotating a key so you can get in, and he could, you unlock the door and that kind of thing.
Oh, yeah. I mean, no, it's. Oh, yeah, no. No. I mean, yeah, they say up mostly like 3 people. I mean, 3 shifts, like easier to. Yeah, like, versus like some like other places, like everything's like not too. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
One thing I noticed about Fairfield was it had little tiny black bugs everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, and it was like, what are these? Because Napa doesn't have them.
Oh.
And I didn't see, maybe it was Vacaville those were happening. It's like, I've never seen these bugs. And Vacaville, they were just like swarming all over the place. And you're like, what is this?
Yeah, no. I mean, there's.
Whichever way you want to go to get, Main Street, so.
Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, it's downtown.
Yeah. I used to live downtown, actually.
That's a pretty nice area. I mean,
I like it down here. I mean, even downtown has a lot of restaurants, which it's probably too taboo for me to be down there because places I like, no.
Oh, no, yeah. I mean, it's like a little thrift store in a church. I think it's like a YMCA nearby too.
That's the it's actually owned by Salvation Army.
Yeah. There's not many of those thrift stores left. I mean, there's one I've gone to in Alameda in San Francisco. That's about it. But they're pretty good. I sell a lot of different things. Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah, we have 2 here. One is up on Imola, and the other one is the one you're talking about, which is by the Salvation Army. I want to call it CPS or something.
Oh, yeah, CP. Yeah, that's the one that's.
Yeah,
I've been in there once.
I went in there, and I found a lot of items that were but it's like I've been in.
Oh no! It's like it's like.
The roads are better.
Oh. Yeah.
They're increasing better.
Oh.
If they keep bettering these roads.
Oh.
Well, yeah, because if you know Napa, the roads would be horrible.
Oh yeah. No, there's like in Modesta I went to. I think it was Salvation Army. They had a whole bunch of stuff in there. Like, oh, it's obvious. I mean, that one sold like furniture, I think too. But like, there's a pretty good Google in West Sacramento, like right by the port of Sacramento. Like I mean, it's like filled with stuff, and they have their as-is store right next door. It's like it was busy that day. I went like, wow.
Kevin was showing me the chairs he bought for your guys' place.
Oh,
But he said that you haven't heard anything, and it was like and he said he tried to email him and there's nothing, but
oh yeah.
You may have to take a ride if there's an address. Take a ride over to it and say what gives.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, sometimes it's not even. Sometimes like someone else handles like sales or not. Yeah. It's like places do that too. Like, oh yeah, someone else will handle like sales and stuff, and we just handle like the manufacturing. Like, we don't really do all that. Like depending on like, oh yeah, no, it's like a lot. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, a lot of it's like outsourcing too, so it'll be cheaper that way. But it kind of depends, I guess, how they do it. Like, yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, kind of different if it's like in house, but. Oh yeah, no, it's like some stuff are bothering me. I wouldn't say to return it without any problem. Like, yeah, oh yeah, stuff I needed. Like, yeah, not even like going to like the store and stuff. It's like no problem to return. Like, cause I know a lot of stores kind of changed it to where it's like any amount of time later, like you can return even if it's like a year after, like. No more like 30 days, like some stores kind of still do that. Like, oh yeah, like, oh man.
I would take this next street to get to the main, because I think that's where it's gonna be. It's like around the corner after you get on the main. The building I need to get into is around the corner. It's on Main, but it's.
Oh yeah, it's right here too. Yeah, because they have that one block like closed off. So, between second and third, that's like the block they closed off.
Oh, I wonder why they're doing that, because.
No, it's not. This is a restaurant right on the corner of Third and Main. Like they.
Yeah, take your go down. Yeah, I mean the way they've done things. Okay, it's gonna be. Yeah, see this building where the funny roof is. It's that building right there. So I was right. It's been 2 years, almost 2 years since I lived here. Yeah, you're gonna. Okay, because this is a building. Just let me out and find your spot, and I'll call you afterward and tell you, yeah, I'm ready, whatever. Right.
Oh, yeah, I can. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, yes, yeah, spot up here. So let me. Ah, boy, she's a piece of work. Man, man, so, dude, you live in Napa. Why are you saying since you lived here? You live in Napa. You live here. What the fuck? How the fuck would you say you used to live here? Oh my gosh, you're fucking annoying. I don't know why I need that mirror, but I don't. That's fucking annoying. How the fuck do you say crap like that? That's fucking out, dude. Fuck. Man, these clients are crazy. I don't like that. It's